welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bionka Deyon, and we're back with a twist out tutorial, period. So for this twist out, I did follow the tips and tricks that I learned from Curly Bev in her twist out. So make sure you go ahead and check out her video. I will put it down in the description box below, in addition to her channel and a link to all of these beautiful products that I use in the tutorial. So basically I am going to be using Curly Bev's natural hair care line to achieve this twist out, which is the same products that she used in her video, and I'm taking that same approach. So making sure my hair is stretched and everything like that. I don't want to give you guys too much of what I'm going to be doing in the video, so right now I'm just gonna stop rambling and we're gonna get into the video. So since I am redoing Curly Bev's tutorial, what I'm gonna, she actually had her hair freshly washed, detangled and all of that stuff, but she used a blow dryer. I'm trying to stay away from heat as much as possible, so what I did to stretch out my roots a little more is I did a braid and then I twisted on the way down. So as you can see, I did a braid to stretch out the top part, and then what I did down towards the bottom is I just did a regular 2-strand twist. Okay, so we are using the Neo Curly product today. This is Curly Bev's natural hair care line, and I love it. I've been using it since about January-ish. So I'm going to give you guys a little rundown of exactly what's in the natural hair care line, and also use those products today to recreate Curly Bev's twist out. So the first thing that I have is the Bangin Curls Lightweight Hair Milk. This is such a great lightweight moisturizer. I have a porosity of hair that doesn't like to be weighed down as much, so I like to use the Bangin Curls Lightweight Hair Milk. Next, for my girls that do need a little more weight, she does have a leave-in conditioner. This is the Curls Poppin' Moisturized Leave-In. So with the Curls Poppin' Moisturized Leave-In, it is a leave-in. Basically, it's supposed to be weightless and add moisture. It's supposed to nourish, condition without weighing the hair down too much. This is still a little thick for my type of hair. So next from the line, I do have the Curly Twisted Styling Gel. So with the Curly Twisted Styling Gel, it's shine boosting. It's supposed to be non-crunching, which is a big thing that I do like about this gel. It doesn't leave my hair very crunchy. It leaves my hair actually very weightless and very bouncy. It's just all the way around very good product. Basically, it's supposed to hold your curl and supposed to hold your style that you're doing, so we're definitely going to use this today because we are doing a twist out. Another thing that she does have in her line that I didn't use is the Build Up Who's That Cleansing and Moisturizing Co-Wash. So mine is a little janky because I broke the top, but this is how it looks. While you're getting out all of that buildup, you're also cleansing your hair at the same time, and it's actually moisturizing as well. So yes, I love this a lot. Last but not least, this is the Like a Blossoming Sunflower Nourishing Oil, and it's supposed to repair, restore, and strengthen your hair strands. So this is something that I definitely have been using. This is my newer bottle because I gave my other bottle to my sister. I really adore everything about this product, especially this is a twist off top. So the top looks like this, so it's already ready for you to get into your head. It's not like a pop tap where you gotta like drop it in your hand and then moisturize it in your hair. You ain't gotta do none of that. It comes with a top just like this. It makes it easier for you to like get into your roots. I just love this overall, so now I'm gonna stop rambling. So in Curly Bev's video, she basically goes in with a hair dryer and she dries out her hair. I'm not gonna do that because I did let my hair air dry and I didn't want to put any heat on my hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put these into some sections really quickly. So I do want my twist to be a little chunkier because she did use a lot of larger sections. So I am going to, basically I have them parted out the way that I want them to be so I can have chunkier twists. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clip this one away with like another type of clip just to get it out the way. And what we're going to do is we're going to take down this twist. And during this step, this is when Curly Bev actually went in with a dryer to stretch out her hair. So that braid, as you can see, like it really just stretched out my roots a little bit, and we have a little definition. So what we're gonna do is, the first thing that she did, she combed out her curls. So I'm just gonna use my wide tooth comb, and I'm just gonna comb it out because my hair is detangled. And as you can see, I'm definitely getting more frizz than she did. So she did use the oil when she went into blow dry out her hair. I'm actually going to use the oil right now just to get a little bit on my scalp and also to run it down my hair. Now we're going to go ahead and go in with the Bangin Curls Lightweight Hair Milk. I'm going to take a little bit, so let me show you guys how much I'm going to take. So this is my palm, and I'm just going to take that much. So this is how much product I'm using basically. And she used a little bit of product as well, so I don't want to go in with too much product. And I'm just going to make sure that I get it from root to tip. And then I'm also going to go in with the Curly Twisted Styling Gel, and I'm going to go in with the same amount as that one. And I start from the tip and work my way up. Now, one thing that I really loved about her tutorial is that she used a brush to smooth out her hair. So I'm definitely going to use the same. So y'all, I am done twisting up my hair. Basically what I'm going to do to prepare myself to go to sleep, I'm basically going to nourish my scalp. So basically just use the nourishing oil to nourish my scalp, which I try to oil my scalp a little frequently because I am trying to grow my hair a little more. So, and then the fact that your hair is parted, it makes it way easier to nourish your scalp. So after I am finished nourishing my scalp, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to put a bonnet on. But I'm thinking about something I could do really quickly. So what I do is I take a regular elastic. I'm going to show you guys from the front. So I twist my hair in the way that it's going. So I twist it like that. And then I also twist the same section, the other section, like that as well. And I kind of, and I merge them together like this. So this just makes it a little flatter because I feel like if I was to go to sleep like with that amount of frizz, then my hair was I was gonna wake up with even more frizz. So I twist them down and I kind of put them together in a ponytail. Let me show you guys one more time. So taking this, actually let's start with the bottom one so you guys can see. I twist it like this and then I hold it. Do the same thing to this one. I twist it to the scalp and I put those two twists together. Once I put those two twists together, I take an elastic and I only swirl it around 3 times. I want it to be like a tighter ponytail because I know like you guys are probably thinking like this is going to be a very tight ponytail, but it's actually very loose. It just stretches out that top part and it just makes sure that my roots don't get too frizzy because like I said, like if I feel like if I would have left that frizz that was already there, I would have woke up and my hair was going to be even more frizzy. So this is what I do to stretch out my roots a little bit. So now I am giving the girls little bow wow. You just don't know, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm going to put my bonnet on and then I'm going to go to bed. I'm like a child, but I'm gonna put my bonnet on and I'm gonna go to bed and then we're going to wake up and show you the result. Hey you guys, so it is the next day. What I'm gonna do is just take off my bonnet and so I just washed my face and everything, so I did take out 2 of the rubber bands already. As you can see, my roots are definitely frizzy, but it has kind of a little bit more than the same amount of frizz that I had yesterday, so it didn't get too crazy. That's why I like doing this rubber band method when I'm stretching out my hair. So one thing that I'm going to do that Curly Bev didn't do is because my hair is very prone to frizz. I took a quiz yesterday, so I got to see the real porosity of my hair. So my hair is medium porosity, which basically means that I'm able to do more things that people with low porosity can't do and people with high porosity can't do. Like I have the ability to use leave-in conditioners and it won't weigh my hair down. So basically I'm dead center of the porosity scale. I'm going to put a little bit of the Like a Blossoming Sunflower Nourishing Oil into my hand. I'm going to start at the bottom and I'm going to unravel the twist going in the same direction that the twist is going. And I am taking my time because, like I said, I don't want too much frizz. I can definitely see that my hair is going to have a lot of volume though, which is really cool. So one thing that she did was she separated the hair. So one thing that I like to do is I like to see where my hair naturally separates. So here I can see, like if I run my finger through, it's naturally separating there. And I smooth that section out. Here, smooth that section out, and I'm not trying to do too much, so I'm only going to do like 3 strands. These are the type of curls that we have right now, very similar to the type of curls that Curly Bev had. It's just very like loose and everything, and I like the manipulation that it did to my hair because usually my twist outs are way tighter. So I love this. Y'all, the volume is crazy. Do y'all see this? This is crazy. Like, I have definition and volume at the same time. Like, I love it. Ooh, y'all, my hair looks good. Oh my god, like I love it so much. Wow. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my pick. This is my plastic pick, and I'm gonna go ahead and just pick out the roots a little bit. Make sure to get this line of demarcation from the back of my head. And I don't have, I still am not good at picking my hair, but I don't want to pick it out too much because then we'll lose some of that definition that we just got. So. Yeah, if Bev sees this video, I need her to come out with another picking tutorial because I looked at her last picking tutorial to get better at picking and I'm still I still suck. So I do love the look of it. Like, so that tip from Bev when she was like, don't twist too tight at the root to give you some volume. Like, my hair is never this big like day one of a twist out, so I definitely agree when it comes to not twisting too tight to the scalp, and that'll give you some additional volume. I do have more frizz than she has though. I feel like if I would have went in with a leave-in conditioner to I feel like if I would have went in with a leave-in conditioner just to give me a little more hold, if I had more hold and more product, I feel like it wouldn't have been as frizzy as it is right now. But this is a chunkier twist out, and I definitely can see myself doing this again. Like, y'all, this is the best type of fro that I've had that isn't like too frizzy and I have definition. Like, so yes, you guys have made it to the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching the entire video, and shout out to Bev for the Neo Curly Products hair line. This is literally the best type of hair products that I've used on my hair that works. And not only does it work, but it smells good, it's natural, there's a lot of different components in it that just really works for my hair. But before you exit this video, make sure that you're following me on all of my social media. That is my Instagram, my Twitter, and my Snapchat. And also make sure you're subscribed to my channel and click that notification bell so you won't miss any uploads from your girl. That is the end, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.